Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our YouTube channel Oil and Gas Information. Here is Saqib Khan. In this video, we will learn how to calculate mud tank volume in barrel BBL. Let's start the video. First of all, we see volume of mud tanks in barrel BBL. At oil and gas drilling rig, many times we need to calculate the volume of different mud tanks. For example, calculate the volume of active mud tanks, reserve mud tanks, and the trip tank, etc. Before calculating the volume of mud tanks, first we discuss the volume of cuboid. As you see in the picture, there is a cuboid with length L, width W, and the height H. Because mud tank is same like cuboid with the length, width, and the height, so if we want to calculate its volume, volume is equal to length into width into height. Here length is replaced by capital L, width is replaced by capital W, height is replaced with capital H. Now we take an example. Let's suppose you have a cuboid with the length 10 feet, width 4 feet, and the height 5 feet, as shown in the picture. Capital L 10 feet, capital W 4 feet, capital H 5 feet. What will its volume? As we already know, volume is equal to L into W into H. Here we simply put these values in this formula. L is replaced with 10 feet, W is replaced with 4 feet, H is replaced with 5 feet. So volume is equal to 200 feet cube. Means total volume of this cuboid is 200 cubic feet. Now we discuss how to calculate the volume of mud tanks in barrel. Let's suppose you have a mud tank with the length L, width W, and the height H. As we already know, volume of mud tanks in cubic feet is equal to L into W into H. So if we want to calculate the volume of mud tanks in barrel BBL, then the volume of mud tanks in cubic feet divided by 5.614. This is constant factor. Now we take an example for mud tanks. Let's suppose you have a mud tank let's suppose this mud tank's length 20 feet, width 10 feet, and the height 8 feet. What will be its volume of this mud tanks in barrel BBL? Now we solve this example. As we already know, volume of mud tanks in cubic feet is equal to L into W into H. So here we simply replace the values. L is replaced with 20 feet, W is replaced with 10 feet, H is replaced with 8 feet. So volume of this mud tanks in cubic feet is equal to 1600 cubic feet. Now we want to calculate the volume of this mud tanks in barrel. Here we simply divide it by 5.614. So 1600 cubic feet is divided by 5.614. The answer is 285 BBL. So the total volume of these mud tanks in barrel is equal to 285 BBL. I hope you understand how to calculate the mud tanks volume in barrel BBL. With this example, at your oil and gas drilling rig, you can calculate the volume of your mud tanks. Let's suppose active mud tank, reserve mud tank, and the trip tank volume in barrel very easily with the help of this video. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, you can share with others and give your feedback in below comments. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Oil and Gas Information, and also click on the bell icon button for watching upcoming videos. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.